This video is a follow-up to YouTuber Tom2RN. I'll leave a link to his original video in the description below in regards to the pulley replacements. In my case, on 2012 Kia Sorento. I have experienced the same pulley noise and was unable to identify which pulley had failed bearing. Since idler pulley is $30 Canadian and tension pulley is $170 Canadian, I didn't want to replace both if only the cheaper has failed. When I removed both pulleys, I still couldn't tell which one has failed, as they both felt smooth, had no obvious noise, and no axial or radial play. I then placed the idler pulley between a couple of nuts and pinched it in a vise, and wouldn't you know, the noise really came out of the idler pulley that had the failed bearing. At the end, it was only a $30 Canadian repair for now.